All right, so we are doing this just a straight rectangle room today. It is 18 by 14. Pretty close. It's like 13 something. I haven't checked, but it's almost a 18 by 14. We're pulling up this average carpet, and we will be completely gutting because we're pulling up regular tack strip, regular pad, and everything like that, and putting down tri-tack and some 1/4-inch felt pad because we are installing some Stanton carpet today, and it's got a seam in it, so it'll be a little bit of a long day today. You'll forgive me for the way I sound. My back is really hurting today. I can't hardly get a breath, but we're gonna make it anyway. Okay, we now have it all tack stripped and padded. This centerpiece, you can see it's not 6 foot by no means. I actually had to cut the whole edge off of it because it got thinner toward the edge of the pad and replace it with this over here. So anyway, over here, right there, we had a threshold. This right here is the same thing as what's right underneath it here, so I was able to get my tack strip to staple to it, and I also used, you can't see, but I put a construction adhesive under the tack strip, some whack-all under the tack strip, and then stapled it down, but I was not able to get my pad staples to stick in it, so what I did is, well, you see what I did. I put my felt down over the tack strip since it'll be walked on here, and then just taped everything. Taped my pad to my felt here. Anyway, tack strip's all good. Got some good tri-tack down here. Everything's cut in nicely, ready to rock and roll with some carpet. So let's go get some rug, won't you? And here it is. Sure does feel good. I like how it's got that little shimmer to it. It looks kind of shiny. Well, that's gonna show it. See the little shiny. Looks like it's got a little glisten to it. Slow and tedious, time-consuming process, but when I get done with this seam, I can guarantee you it's going to be quality enough to outlast this carpet. Guarantee. Because there's a little ledge by the stitch, by the chain stitch, I'm actually taking my fingernail on top of that little bit of excess backing and just pushing it down into the backing real good to lock that chain in really good. I'm pushing it into the side, up in the bottom, and then down into the top of the backing. It's sealed completely, top, middle, and bottom. Then I'll pull the tape off. We're going down a couple more feet. Good. Let's stretch this bad boy in. Finally got it all seamed up. What time is it, Luke? Let's see exactly what time it is.
It's 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, okay. Gotta get on the ball. I got another chiropractor's appointment at 4. All natural latex. Robert's 5052, if I'm not mistaken. The number of what I got here. And this is cut pretty short up next to the threshold here. So I definitely want this to be sealed off so it don't ravel over time. Do that at every low point. All 4 thresholds in this room. Okay. Had to point this out that it is important to latex around your vent. Keep it from raveling out. Okay, we are done. Latex really good up here. Anywhere that I might have cut down past the last chain stitch, for instance, here on the corners where I zip down like that, if I go past my last chain link before it reaches the wall, I'll put latex here in those corners. On the sides with the chain link, if you have a chain link past your tack strip that is not touched or cut, you're going to be fine without latex. And if you're cutting flush or anything like that, you definitely need to latex your edges, keep it from raveling out, just like you do the seam. And anywhere, like I said, the vents, anywhere that's going to be open, you got to latex properly. But anyway, this is it right here. We are complete. It's just a beautiful, beautiful rug. My seam.
Working Monday, so I'll be there for
Some right in there, I believe. So it turned out really well.
I'll spring you a check too whenever.
Anyway, we are outy-batty. I got to rush back to Manchester to my chiropractor appointment.